Coal gang is a solid waste discharged in the process of coal mining and coal washing. It is a kind of black and grey rock with lower carbon content and harder than coal that is associated with coal seam in the process of coal formation. Coal gang ball press can be used to press into groups. Coal gang ball pressing machine, because of the forced extrusion of the roll, the product has the characteristics of high density, high strength, high hardness, and coal gang ball pressing machine press roll with hard material, has good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the roll. Coal gang pelletizing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.